Hello to all the wonderful humans on the internet. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. Welcome to day 3 of my Navratri series, and today's color is white. And today's topic is affordable but effective skincare routine from your nearest chemist. And when I say affordable, I mean it. All of these products are less than 300, and all of these products have some or the other actives in it: glycolic acid, salicylic acid, mandelic acid, hyaluronic acid. I mean, can you believe it? Getting hyaluronic acid in less than 300. That's right. You are going to go on a very smooth ride of affordable and effective skincare. Are you guys ready? Put the seatbelts on. Let's go. So let's start with hyaluronic acid. This is a Hylute gel. It costs just 250 rupees for 30 ml. It is a non-sticky, non-oily, non-comedogenic aqueous gel, and I attest to that. It definitely is not sticky and definitely not comedogenic. Works so great for all skin types. Let's see how it looks. See, it's gel-like serum, or I'd say hydrator in this case, because it just has hyaluronic acid in it. Look how easily it gets absorbed in your skin. I guess I should remove the watch, it's very annoying. Yeah, so as you can see there's no residue, it's nothing, it's absorbed in your skin. It's very effective. However, this one has perfume in it. Why? But it has perfume in it. This one has parabens in it. I know parabens is covered by this dark cloud of misinformation, but parabens is not the devil. Parabens is actually one of the most safest class of preservatives that brands can use in their products. However, because of a few ill-informed articles and content creators, parabens has been given a bad name. However, using parabens in a skincare routine is not bad, so don't be afraid that these products have parabens in it. Okay, now let's move on to the next product. The next product is a great product for people with dry skin, dry acne prone skin. I know it's difficult for people with dry skin to get products that would actually work for their acne, because all acne creams and lotions and everything are very drying, but not this product. It is the Glyco 6. It is glycolic acid cream. Such a great product, made for dry skin. But when I say made for dry skin, it does not mean that other skin types cannot use this. I definitely use this as a spot treatment. It just costs 245 rupees for 6% glycolic acid. Can you believe it? As the name says, it's a cream based product. See, thick cream, boon for dry skin types. You can use it as a spot treatment if you want, if you have oily skin and you don't want to put a thick cream all over your face. The next product is a treasure, and I have not found a product in Indian market that has mandelic acid at that cost. Now this is the Cef pill. Now the Cef pill has 10% mandelic acid and 5% glycolic acid. And would you like to know the cost of this? It is 250 for 30 grams. So in 250, you're getting 10% mandelic and 5% glycolic acid. That is just insane. I mean, tell me, what is the cost of the mandelic acid Wish Trend toner? And you just have this available in your nearby pharmacy. It works great again for all skin types. Works great to reduce dark spots, hyperpigmentation, whatnot. Again, it is like this gel cream like texture. It is not as thick as the Glyco 6, but works great. And if you're looking for a good AHA blend for your face, go for Cef pill. Mandelic acid is quite gentle and good for your skin, and there is 5% glycolic acid in it, which is again a good exfoliator. Now the next is azelaic acid, and the wonders azelaic acid is doing is unbelievable that this acid isn't popular yet, like glycolic and salicylic acid. But I am using the Azeterm 15 right now, working great for my dark spots and acne that I'm getting here. There are different percentages that you can get, 10, 15, 20. I went for 15%. Azeterm is again a cream based product, but it is more like a cream gel base, not as thick as the glycolic acid. Oops. It's more like a thickened lotion. No? If you're looking into buying azelaic acid, look into Azeterm. It's great, it's affordable, and it's effective. Next, let's talk about the Cause Glow Gel. It works great for dark spots and hyperpigmentation as it has kojic acid and alpha-arbutin in it, which is great. It's $2.90 for 15 grams, and as you can see, it's almost over because I absolutely love this for my hyperpigmentation. And if you are interested to know more about this product, I have spoken about it in my spot treatments video. I will put it up in the cards. If you're interested, you can go and watch that. Now the next treatment is something that works great for acne prone skin and acne with pustules, the pus filled acne. And I never used to use this when I had active acne because I used to think that it's very irritating and it can be very drying, which it can be. But if you use it as a spot treatment just on the acne, it can give you wonderful results as it is a great antibacterial. It kills all the bacteria inside, and that is how it dries out your pimple. It is the benzoyl peroxide. It is a 2.5% gel. I also use this on my underarms at night because we know that the odor that is caused in our underarms are because of the bacteria. The bacteria actually breaks down your sweat, and then that is what causes the odor. So this benzoyl peroxide actually works great to kill off those bacteria. Hence they will not break down your sweat and you will not get the bad odor. I use this 2 to 3 times on my underarm area and 2 to 3 times in a week on my underarm area, and it has been working great. For my pimples and dark spots, I use very little, like very little. It's yeah, that is how much I use on my pimples. That's it. I don't spread it around. I just put it like this, maybe 1-2 taps, and I'm done because I'm too scared that it will irritate the area around it. So that is what I do. For my underarms, I do take a lot. For my underarm area, this is how much I take for one side, and I just spread it around at night, and in the morning I make sure that I wash it off because you don't need so much. It's very gel like, it spreads out so quickly. As you can see, it's almost like water, and I just apply it on my underarms, get done with it, and I am happy. Now the next and the last product that I like to talk about is a moisturizer. Absolutely in love with this. My skin being oily skin, this has worked so great. I was a bit apprehensive because I thought it'd be a thick gloopy cream, but it's not thick gloopy. It works for me at night. In the mornings, no creams work for me. In the mornings, I have to use water based or gel based products because that's how my skin is. It's very sweaty and oily, so I don't use this in the morning, but at night as a night cream, I'm loving it. And if you have dry skin, flaky skin, if you want and if you're looking for a moisturizer to just heal it, you have to look into the Aqua Soft cream. It is made to deeply nourish and to soften your skin, and I can definitely attest to that. Aqua Soft, it has 15% glycerin, which is a humectant, but it has so many other moisturizing agents in it, so it works as a humectant, and it also works to keep the moisture in, reducing the transepidermal moisture loss, which is absolutely perfect. And it is non-comedogenic, so my oily skin, acne prone skin ladies, this and gents, this is going to work for you. And for dry skin types, I'm going to show you the texture of the product. See, whoa, that's a lot. Couldn't see. Sorry, I'm just going to remove a little bit. You can use it as a body lotion also. Great. You see how light it is. and it is also a moisturizer, so works absolutely great. However, my bad luck, I'd say, this has a lot of fragrance in it. So if you have sensitive skin and you think you are sensitive to fragrance, or if you don't want to use fragrance in your skincare routine, unfortunately you cannot use this product. So that's it, guys. These were my pharmacy finds. I am never going back to normal skincare brands, especially for these actives like mandelic, glycolic acid, and azelaic acid. Never going back. If you liked my content, please don't forget to click the, oh my god, look at that, because my hand was filled with Aquasoft. No. So if you, okay, I'm showing you the middle finger. What is wrong with me? Yeah. So if you like my content, don't forget to click the like button. And if you like my content in general, then don't forget to click the subscribe button. That is right. So until next time, bye.